and give you a brief overview of the first grade English language arts curriculum for online learning. ELA stands for English Language Arts. It's reading, writing, and word work. Each day, your child will have reading, a writing, and a word work lesson. The first grade right now in our units of study, we are going over for reading, meeting characters, and learning lessons. In this unit, we are really looking at characters, the lessons they are learning, and their actions throughout stories. For writing, we are writing from scenes to series. That is our unit name. And we are really focusing on writing realistic fiction stories that are believable, but at the same time, completely made up by the students. They will dive into character development and create real-life stories. These stories are not things that have happened to them. They are made-up stories, but they are believable made-up stories. An example of a day of learning for your students is going to look different for each school or each Google Classroom, but I'll give you an example of what our Clinton School's first grade classroom looks like. So when you come to our page, every day we post their learning, and it will look like this. And when you click on that, it brings up the lessons for the day. So each day will start with a morning meeting. And during morning meeting, the teacher welcomes you for the day and usually gives you a small task or something little to perform or do. Next, we have reading, and I'm going to click on the reading link to show you exactly what it looks like. And you will see that there is a reading video, and then the reading it says reading to do. Watch reading video, which is this. And then you'd click on this and it would bring you right to the video. And then you would read independently for 15 minutes. Next, you have a brain break. That's usually a short little break. You need to give the kids a little break between activities. Next would be writing. It gives suggested times, but those are just suggested times. Those are not the times that you have to do it. We do understand that some parents are also working from home, so they may not get to this until later in the day, or you may be doing it earlier. It's okay. We're just suggesting that at least a half an hour is spent on writing. And there, again, if you clicked on writing, you would see that there is a video. And then there's also, you can click on the anchor charts that the teacher uses in her video, and you can see those so you have like a hard copy at home. And you also, the writing to do would be to watch a writing video and finish and or write realistic fiction story, and we would like you to do 15 minutes of writing. And then I'm not going to go over math or science with you simply because we're just focusing right now on English language arts. But the last part of your English language arts for the day, each day, would be your word study. And this is where you're going to do your phonics work, your phonics work, spelling, any vocabulary work, just simple word work. And as you see for, this was Friday's lesson, April 3rd, it was a video, and within that video, I actually made it, is the actual activity that the students are doing. So they did everything in that video, but during the video, they were to pause the video, get out their word workbook or a whiteboard and do the task. Okay. Don't forget to read. First and second grade students, we're focusing on first here, should read 2 to 3 short books a day and then select one to share with an adult, a pet, or one of their favorite bears, dolls, or stuffed animals. We just want them really reading and making sure they're reading plenty every day. You can never read too much, and we really want them to be reading because it keeps consistency, and they really need the practice when you're in first and second grade. And just a few more things. We hope you will have a happy and productive learning experience. That's most important. We hope that you're all happy and productive and that you're enjoying these virtual lessons. If you have any trouble getting into the Google Classroom, please just email your teacher and we will help you out with that. We really appreciate your flexibility, and remember, we are all here to help you. We are learning how to navigate this new type of learning, and no question is a silly question. Please ask if you are not sure about something. And lastly, the first grade team is here to help you. Do not even for a second, hesitate to reach out to us. Please let us know if you have any questions, and happy virtual learning. Thank you.